The Roman Empire, a name that echoes through history. A civilization known for its military might, its laws, its culture. But underpinning it all, quite literally, was a network of roads. These roads were not just routes, they were the arteries and veins of a vast empire. They were the very foundation upon which Roman power was built and projected. These roads, stretching over 400,000 kilometers, connected the bustling heart of Rome to the furthest flung corners of its dominion. They allowed for the swift march of legions, the rapid relay of messages, and the flow of goods and ideas. Even today, centuries after the fall of Rome, the remnants of these roads snake across the landscape, a testament to their enduring quality and the vision of their creators. The Romans were not the first to build roads, but they were the first to approach road construction with such a systematic and ambitious scale. Roman engineers were masters of their craft. They understood that a road, to withstand the test of time and the pressures of constant use, needed more than just a layer of gravel. Their solution was a marvel of layered construction. It began with digging a deep trench, ensuring stability. Then came layer upon layer of carefully chosen materials. Large stones formed the base, followed by layers of gravel, sand, and finally tightly fitted paving stones. This layered approach ensured that Roman roads were incredibly durable. They could withstand heavy traffic, harsh weather, and the passage of time. This durability was no accident. It was the result of meticulous planning, standardized methods, and a keen understanding of materials. The importance of Roman roads to the empire's expansion and dominance cannot be overstated. These roads were not merely a means of getting from A to B, they were strategic assets of the highest order. For the Roman army, the roads were lifelines. They allowed legions to move with a speed and efficiency that was unmatched at the time. This mobility was crucial for responding to threats, crushing rebellions, and conquering new territories. But the roads were not just for the military. They facilitated trade and commerce on an unprecedented scale. Goods flowed from the furthest reaches of the empire to the markets of Rome and back again. This flow of goods brought wealth to the empire and helped to bind it together economically. The Roman Empire may be long gone, but its legacy lives on in the roads that still crisscross Europe. These ancient routes, many still in use today, are a testament to the enduring quality of Roman engineering, but the impact of Roman roads goes beyond their physical presence. The principles of Roman road building, the emphasis on durability, practicality, and standardized methods, continue to influence modern road construction. The next time you drive down a highway, take a moment to think about the Romans, their ingenuity, their vision, and their dedication to building things that last. Their roads were not just paths of stone, they were symbols of an empire's ambition, and their legacy continues to shape our world today.